Well, the Aussie dollar briefly went above 70 US cents this morning, something we haven't seen in quite a few weeks. Now, it's not because of anything particularly special about our economy, but because the US dollar fell after the odds of an interest rate hike in America this month fell to almost zero. That's after some figures came out showing inflation for US consumers and businesses fell a lot faster than expected due to lower petrol prices. But that relief might not last long, especially with crude oil at $84.5 US a barrel after surging 20% in the past couple of weeks. Now, Donald Trump plans to keep bombing Iran, while Iran says it won't negotiate if the US keeps attacking. And there could be a lot of financial pain ahead, according to analysts from Commonwealth Bank. Their prediction is if the US blockade of Iranian waters continues, oil will hit $100 US a barrel in 2 weeks. And in 10 weeks' time, which takes us up to September, that's when we'll see serious supply shortages, which will make our inflation problem even worse. Meanwhile, the ASX finished its day dead flat. BHP was the biggest drag on the share market after the mining giant warned its copper output this financial year could drop by up to 15% due to the deteriorating quality of the copper ore at its overseas mine in Chile. And while Wall Street had a solid day, markets in South Korea suffered a huge sell-off after their central bank lifted interest rates for the first time in 3 years. And finally, after flying up to the moon, SpaceX shares seem to have encountered a rough landing. They've fallen below what they were worth when the company debuted on the Nasdaq last month, and the price is down by a massive 33% from its record high. And that's finance.